up, guys? Okay, y'all, this lighting is literally horrible. Boom. Okay, y'all, this is a collab video, another collab video. It's hosted by Bum Bea, and I'll leave her information down below. In this collab video, it is called Show Me Your Dollar Tree, I do believe. Y'all, all that information will be in the title, so whatever that title say, that's what the collab is, okay? So forgive me, Bum Bea, but I really don't remember, and I'm sorry, guys, that I'm jacking with my hair right now. Today is wash day, and it is what it is. And I know I haven't been on camera for a while, so I wanted to show my face to say, yo, it's still me. And yeah, so anyway, back to why we actually here. Okay, so like I said, it's a collab video, and what you have to do is show your favorite Dollar Tree item, DIY, so on and so forth, right? So y'all already know Dollar Tree and me are like this best friends. So I'm like, I have not a clue what I'm gonna pick, okay? So I decided to pick my organization crate thingamajiggies. Can y'all see it? Oh snap, boom, hold up. I'm gonna do a better little picture. I'm gonna flip it around so y'all can actually. All right then. Okay. So I bought these little containers from Dollar Tree. The containers in the back from Dollar Tree. I already had the ice tray. So I did a video on this, and I'll link it at the bottom, I do believe, of how, how this drawer looked before I actually organized it. But y'all, it's still organized. Say what? Yes. But this is my favorite items so far from the Dollar Tree. I find them very useful, and I kind of want to do the rest of my kitchen drawers, but for now this is the only one that I have completed. But yeah, you guys, and these come 4 to a pack. So what? $1? Is that 4? That's 3. I played myself. So that's 1, 2, 3, 3 to a pack. And then 1, 2, 3, 3 to a pack. So that's $2, y'all, of organization. Okay? And this ice tray, I think I got that at like a thrift store. I don't even know, guys. That is why I'm not using it for its function. So yeah, probably like a quarter or 50 cents. So you're looking at $2.50 worth of organization. But anyway, y'all, these 2 items are my favorite Dollar Tree things that I have purchased so far. But I love Dollar Tree so much, so I just had to pick one. And if I had to pick, Bum Bea, I'm sorry, I know this ain't part of your collab instructions. I'm kind of hard-headed sometimes. But oh yeah, look at that bird my mom drew for my Christmas card. I am so off-key. I know it's not Christmas, but guess what? That's staying up forever. But anyway, this is my favorite DIY so far from Dollar Tree. These are the salt and pepper shakers that you get 2 for what? $1. And I also did this DIY video on my channel. I love the way it turned out, and it's, I think, one of my favorite, if not my favorite DIY from Dollar Tree. So booyah, they're still up as well. Put this back where it was. Hey. So anyway, guys, that's it. Y'all, that this video was all over the place kinda, but y'all got to see 2 of my favorite, one of my favorite DIYs from Dollar Tree, and my other just favorite item, how I'm using it from Dollar Tree. Add a little twist for my own self. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out Mrs. Bum Bea videos as well. Like I say, her information will be in the description box. Oh y'all, let me go wash this hair and finish this DIY that I'm currently working on, which is also what? Let's say it together, guys. Dollar Tree! Booyah. So y'all, go ahead and subscribe, hit that little gray bell thingamajiggy so y'all won't miss out on that. It's gonna be cute. Take it from me. It's going to be cute. Okay. So I'm out this piece. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be Friday, I think. What is today? Y'all seeing this Monday. So my next video will be on Friday. So y'all see you guys Friday. Deuce.